I just read in the Wall Street Journal, you read? If you are not learning AI to help you do your tasks in your job, that employers are now basically saying you either do that or we're going to fire you and we're going to hire someone else who is. What? So now it's kind of expected that, hey, whatever job you do, you're going to utilize AI to streamline what you do and make you more efficient. So could you write jokes faster? Be nice if they're kind of funny too. I'm working on that too. But in the link is an AI course and community that has a 7-day money back guarantee. And if you don't make money within 30 days, they'll give you a refund as well. I'm actually a part of it, so it's not like I just read about it and now I want to make money off it. I actually love it because if you want to set up anything that you want to automate and you run into roadblocks, well, I should say anything. I mean, anything within what the course covers, then there's a community that helps you out. You sign up, check it out. If you don't like it, get a full refund within 7 days. And I'll give you an example. The creator of this course, he made over $15,000 while he slept because he set up an AI avatar video. And you probably know what that is. That's basically, creating a clone of yourself or just creating an avatar and making content that helps people.
If I signed up,
Yeah.
could I learn that?
Uh-huh.
But I'm not like a tech guy, you know that.
But it's actually set up so even if you don't know tech, you can learn it.
Really?
They actually have people in there who will help you if you run into problems and kind of get you through it. It's amazing. So I recommend you at least check it out. I'll put a link below. We will see you in the next video.
Yes.